need you. It's
What's up, sugar babes, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Takera. In today's video, we're gonna focus on a get ready with me, a little chit chat. So we're having a girls' night, so I'm just gonna be showing myself doing my makeup, and we're just gonna talk about our goals this year. So let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So since I have lash extensions on, I'm gonna prep my lashes. I'm gonna shampoo them. I already washed my face, so my face is prepped for my makeup. Lashes. So I'm just gonna do a little small little dot and then dip the brush in there. I take my finger and I put it right underneath, and then I just brush it like that. And then I like to take the little spoolie brush and just, you know, brush the lashes a little bit. And so since it is the beginning of the year, it's January, thought it was only fair and only right to talk about some goals, girls, because we got to set these goals and accomplish them all year. So y'all, if y'all haven't tried it, if y'all got a coffee bean, because I know everybody don't got one, but this pink, it's a peach passion tea. It's so good. The past couple of months, I've for sure just been taking time for myself to really just get to know me and know what I like, and know who I want to be. So I think that to carry on into this year, I'm just gonna really focus on like going after everything I want and not being afraid. In the past, I would second guess myself, and I was like, oh, let me wait till the right moment. But you're never gonna have the right moment. The moment is now. So this is, if you need a sign, this is your sign, girl. The time is now. What you've been waiting on to do, that business you've been ready to launch, or whatever you've been trying to do, whatever, that new car you're trying to get, that new job you want to go after, the time is now. This is your warning. This is your sign. Go ahead and accomplish that. The Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. So this is what I'm going to be using. It's moisturizing too. So what I do is just take a little, you know, on my hands, on my little fingers, and then I rub it in. If you're new to makeup, for sure always get a primer. That's the base for your makeup. It's going to make sure your makeup stay longer. I like to press it into my face. I think number one thing that I just want to work on is, I guess, building my confidence a little more. I'm already confident, and I come off as a confident person according to other people, but I do feel like I could be even more confident. I definitely feel like I sometimes care what people say with certain stuff. Like, I'm not really a person that just care a lot what people say, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna do what I want. But I do, it's that knowing that somebody's gonna have something to say in the back of your mind, like, dang, what they gonna say about this. Now I'm at a point where I'm just like, okay, they not doing it, so why does their opinion matter, you know? So I use 2 foundation sticks. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I also use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Longwear Shaping Stick. So what I do, because I haven't found a foundation that's like perfect for my skin just yet, so I mix them. And I take the Infallible and I just put it on top. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush. It's the Expert face brush, and I'm just gonna smooth it out, brush it out on my face. That I really just want to focus on is just building up my own self-confidence, and overall, like, it's areas where I'm very confident. Like, I know I can do stuff, so, and I know what I'm capable of, but I just want to push my limits this year. I want to step out of my comfort zone, and I just really want to go after everything that I deserve and not, you know, what I'm working towards. So I'm going to take my concealer stick. It's a Sephora brand in color Toffee, number 14. I like to highlight certain areas like the side of my nose and then just like this area. And then right under the eye. I really just like to focus on my T-zone area, but also underneath that to create a jawbone. Just give that little chiseled look, you know what I'm saying? I'll take my Real Techniques blender and then I just like to blend that in. I'm just challenging myself this year to just really step out of my comfort zone, because I feel like when you step out of your comfort zone, you prepare yourself. You know, you're just preparing yourself for whatever can happen. And it's more challenging, you know, like you're building yourself up when you challenge yourself. Like you're preparing for better, more opportunities. My grandfather told me luck is just being prepared for any opportunities. So with that being said, I'm just preparing for whatever, because it's a lot that I do want to accomplish, and I'm not going to accomplish that being comfortable. I already know. So we just gonna do what we gotta do, girl. We're trying to accomplish goals all 2021, because 2020 wasn't too bad. I'm not gonna, like, besides the whole pandemic and losing jobs and gaining weight, it was okay. I got to spend time with myself to actually, you know, learn myself, because I know I probably look crazy on camera because everything just needs to be blended more, but real quick it's gonna tie all together. So next I'm going to use my Airspun setting powder, and then I take my sponge, my beauty sponge, and I just dip it in there. Then I put it on the back of my hand because that just takes some of the excess off. Then I start to put it on my face so I can set it. I'm gonna let it bake a little bit. And like I said earlier, I just use the same foundation. Wow, your girl is messy. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this foundation stick that I used earlier, the darker one, the Infallible Pro, and I'm just gonna carve out the parts that I want contoured. What brush is this? This is the Deluxe Crease Brush. It's for your eye, right? It's for the crease of your eye, but we're gonna use it for other purposes, because why not? So I'm gonna contour my nose. Nose job, you say? But y'all, I challenge all of y'all to just find one thing. If you can have all your other goals, but just find one thing that you want to focus on for yourself for this year and grow. Set that goal. What do you want to do? Do you want to build your self-esteem, your confidence? Do you want to lose weight, lose a certain amount of pounds this year, or whatever it is? Comment below. Let me know what you want to work on, and let's achieve this together, because I feel like I have a feeling that this is going to be a really good year. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. It's number 200, if that means anything to anybody. And then I'm just going to blend the contour. And what I do that I like is when I'm blending out the contour, I blend it upwards. That way so it'll blend in with that highlight. But I'm going to take Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Foundation in the color Y445. This is just what it looks like. They come with a little sponge. So I'm just going to use this to get everything off and just kind of blend everything together. So yeah, y'all, I know I'm just rambling because I really didn't know what to talk about today, honestly. But I just felt like, well, maybe since it's the beginning of the year, maybe we can talk about a goal we want to focus on. And I just know that that's one of my major ones that I want to really focus on, just to help me succeed in life. And myself accountable for trying to stay in my comfort zone when that's not what I need to do. That's not gonna help anything. It's not gonna get me further. Now I'm just gonna press the powder in to blend everything in. It's a girls' night, y'all. I'm going to get my crab and two corns. Because if you know me, y'all know I love me some good crab legs. And when I go to Pier 88 or I go to Hot and Juicy, my order is 2 corns and a crab. I think I'm going to take this True Match from L'Oreal. It's a super blendable powder. And I'm going to just go over my contour area a little bit with this. Make sure everything is blended out good. I'm using the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Long Lasting Matte Finish Setting Spray from NYX is what I usually use. But today we're going to use the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I like it, but whatever. So I'm going to kind of drench my face a little bit. And then I'm just going to kind of push the setting spray into my face. After that, I am going to do my brows, and I use the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. So I just take the little spoolie in, just make sure I brush my brows up like this. So I just like to line underneath my brow. Follow my brow shape. I go on top and do the same thing. Then I kind of just fill it in a little bit. I'm so excited for this year, because I just got so much I do just want to accomplish, like a lot. Since I did talk about a little bit of my goals, like my main goal for the year, maybe I'll do another video talking about all of my goals and how I set them and how I plan on achieving them. I'm about to be my best self. That's my goal, to be my best self. So now that I did that, I'm gonna put a little blush on. Honestly, I don't even, oh, it's Tarte. So this is a Tarte blush. I play too much. This is old. So this is a Tarte blush, and it's called Party. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of color. Nothing too major. I think I'm gonna go in with Honey, just because. And then I'm gonna just add a little highlight to my face. And then I like for my eyes to pop a little bit, so I'm actually gonna put them in the put it in the corner of my eye. We're gonna just do a little simple lip, and I'm just gonna line it with a brown liner and throw a little gloss. Well, I'll see what color I want to do. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Candy Stick Glowy Lip Color. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to my lips, because why not? And the color is called S'mores Please. That's cute. So I'm just gonna put a little bit there. And then I'm gonna spray my face one last time. And then, alright y'all, so this is my finished look. I'm about to go get my crab and 2 corns, you know, a little simple look, just a little girls night, a little girls day with me and my girls, and we're gonna go eat crabs together. Let me quit playing with y'all. But yeah, so that's all for today's video, guys. Let me know your goals and what you want to work on. Comment down below. Just so let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. Y'all want to see some hauls, y'all want to see some styling videos, y'all want to see whatever, another get ready with me, give me another topic, you know, we can get into something. So just let me know what y'all want to see. But that's all for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in Sunday's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share our video. Help us grow, because y'all know our goal is to 5K by May 20th. So Help us grow. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.